Chapter 1. The Strange Red Wolf. Back when the wolf was a youngster, the wolf always loved to play as a pup. But when the wolf grew up, there were some strange powers the wolf did not yet understand. But her father did not like it. She was a symbol of light, the phoenix inside. One day there would be a wolf, red-colored skin, that would one day defeat all evil in its path. That omen was clear. He decided to kill his own daughter. But his daughter would not easily be taken down. She surged with rage. But this wolf was no like other. Red powers of the phoenix. Her name was Flare, the wolf goddess of fire. There was a thing about her that no wolf understood, but she could not handle the evil on her own. There was something called the elemental. She was one of them. She had to go around finding all of the elemental wolves. Earth, Kai. Wind, Laura. And then finally, the bravest of them all, water, David. The water and fire grown close to each other. Though David was more of the dark one, while Flare was more of the light, it was like yin and yang. They bond together and had two pups. One symboled the mother, the other symboled the father. One day, the one who symboled the father would have to go through a deep, dark lifespan, where only that wolf can go through it. It will corrupt you, or it will make you stronger. Years later, those two pups showed out their path. But darkness came again, unexpected, and they killed one of the pups. Devastated, Flare and David went deep into the forest, deeper than anyone could expect. There, they found a sanctuary known as the Element Falls. There is only a few amount of wolves who can go there. Only wolves with element powers unlock the door. It's beautiful, with all kind of elements in just one area. The water, the wind, the fire, and the earth, all combined in one to make one special element. Magic. Only this one wolf would be powerful to destroy all. The phoenix, the magic one. Only the phoenix can save or destroy the forest. That was the prophecy. As the wolf grew in a pack and out of her own, her mother, Mari, knew what she was doing. Her father, Satan, the evilest wolf ever, thought that wolf his, but it wasn't. The wolf pup was given to Mari by a phoenix. No like other gave the pup in her care, knowing what her future would hold. Mari got killed by Satan. Satan attempted to kill the pup, but didn't succeed. The pup ran away, scared, and lived a life as a hermit, which lasted like forever. But one day, the red wolf was hunting in the lightning pack territory. Orange Strange Wolf bumped into her. Wary of the wolf, she started to growl. The red wolf wasn't surprised, though she got this welcome from every wolf that she met. But then the orange wolf stopped growling and looked at the red wolf curiously. Then started blabbering about how she was better. After that, the orange wolf introduced herself.
Hey, I'm Kira. I am a hunter and a fighter in Lightning Pack territory. I'm actually hunting alone for the first time, though my brother doesn't really allow that, because he thinks I'm so immature.
The red wolf paid no attention to what she was saying. But one thing surprised the wolf. Kira asked her to hunt with her. The wolf wasn't expecting that kind of question, but the wolf took the offer. They hunted for what seemed like a whole day, catching prey. Kira struggled a lot, but the red wolf swiftly killed the prey with one swipe. Kira was amazed.
Hey, where did you learn those skills? Those are like no other skills I've really seen before. You so swiftly kill the prey. I struggle with it,
said Kira.
Don't worry, you'll learn one day,
responded the red wolf. The red wolf then scented something, but kept no mind to it, because Wolf had known that it was Kira's brother. Though the wolf did not know his name, she still was really careful not to bump into him. After a long days of hunting, Kira asked if the wolf wanted to train with her. The wolf responded,
"Not today, but if you come to me tomorrow, I will train you, and I will teach you how to kill prey swiftly and fast. Now it's getting dark. You should get back to your camp. I'm sure the wolves are worried about you. And take this prey. I don't really need it much. I have a whole pile of prey back where I live,"
said the wolf.
"Really? You're lending me all the prey you caught?"
said Kira.
"Yes. It would be selfish of me to have you go back empty-pawed. It wouldn't be nice of me. And plus, I'm sure you would be really in trouble with your pack,"
said the wolf.
"Yeah, you're right. I probably should take this prey. Plus, it's a day's worth of work, you know,"
said Kira.
"Well, I'll see you tomorrow. Good night, Kira,"
said the wolf.
"Good night, Wolf,"
said Kira. As Kira walked away into the deep forest towards her pack, Arrow followed, spatting at the wolf.
"You come any closer to my sister, and you'll wish you were never born,"
and then went back to camp. The red wolf, standing alone in the darkness, went back to where the wolf had camped, and fell asleep. That is all for this chapter.